was able to find another lantern collection. There's 21 lanterns in this collection. Some of them don't have glass, and some of them are off-brand and not necessarily Coleman. But there's some really neat stuff. This is like a made in Japan. This is clearly a 200 knockoff or something. It does have Coleman glass, which is good. It's a cool one. There's 4 200 models. There's just a good huge mix. Okay, I've got all of the lanterns on the table, and there is quite a few of them. This is just a lot of fun going through them and sorting. So these are the Model 200, made in Canada. I believe they're a 200A in the States. One of them has a nickel tank, but no glass. The other three have glass. And then here's the knockoff. This is made in Japan. It's clearly a 200 knockoff, but it's awesome. That brown and yellow is just awesome. So, and it has 200 glass. And then we've got 236. This one's a beater. The tank might be okay, but there's a dent. There's like a dent that could come out. And another one with glass in not bad shape, it looks like. It will polish up really nice. We'll polish that one up for sure. And then these are 237s. So this one's missing a collar, and it's shorter for some reason. And I don't know if that's because of the collar or what, but I'm pretty sure that this is a 237 model. And I'll just, if it's worst comes to worst, I guess I can swap some things around and we'll have 1 or 2 really nice 237s. And then this brown one. I have one of these with a picket fence glass in the case, and this is a model 621B. This one has some issues, so that tank is, the tank is peeling, but the glass is good, and it's an okay lantern. This is brand spanking new. That doesn't look like it's ever been used. It has the box. It's a Coleman 286A. So that's, it's a little newer than that interests me, but its condition is beautiful, so that's okay. This is a 220F, and it's in beautiful shape, and it has the box. The box has been cut off, but it's in really nice. It will clean up beautifully, I think. It really is really, looks like it hasn't been used either, or maybe used once kind of a situation. Here's a 321B. These are so common around here, it's insanity. This one looks like it's been used once, and it has the box. The box is kind of faded and beat. And these are 335s. These are super common here too. This is probably the most common lantern, the 321Bs and the 335s. And we have broken glass in 2 of them. And we have, there's 4 of them. And this is one of the more modern 286s or something. Let's see what it is exactly. Yeah, 286A. So we have 2 the same. That brand new one's the same thing. And then we have 3 AFC lanterns. I don't know if they're good for anything or what. This one has Coleman glass, so it looks like a beater. So that glass will be moving if it's not cracked over to one of the 200s. And I'll probably do the same thing with this one, maybe. We'll see what kind of shape it's in, but if that glass is 200 glass, then that's still okay. So that was my lantern find. This year's been really good for lanterns, and we're going to clean these up and fix them, sort them, clean them. I'll pick out the cherries and probably lot up the rest or something. But that's our grand lantern adventure for this week.